What up, positive vibers?
What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm Danny.
You're Danny.
I'm Tanya.
She's Tanya. I'm Danny.
Yes, y'all, we're back at it again. We're going on the Allure of the Seas of this time.
Yep.
The Allure of the Seas.
Our final oasis to complete them all. We ready? We walking up the gangway now?
Yes, yes, yes.
We about to have some fun.
I believe this ship gonna be more chill.
Yeah.
So, hey, I'm ready for the relaxation.
We headed to Aruba, Curacao,
Yes.
and Haiti.
Oh yeah, back to old hot Haiti.
Yeah, Haiti always hot. We excited for this adventure, guys.
Yes.
We got a lot planned. So make sure you hit that subscribe button
Then like,
so that way you don't miss any of these videos that we're about to bring y'all.
yes.
We almost on it. I'm ready. It's been 2 months since we've been on the ship. Actually, less than that, about a month and a half, but who's counting?
Hey, who keeping up with that? We just ready to get on and see what they got to offer for us again. The Allure of the Seas.
Yes, 8 days on the Allure of the Seas.
On the seas of the ocean.
Yep.
Ocean of the seas.
It's just us. We ain't got nobody we coming to meet or nothing.
Just us.
We about to do it, y'all.
Just the two of us. And here we go. We're gonna get on this thing. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello.
Hello, thank you. And we are on this thing, y'all. Here we go. Let the festivities begin.
Where are we going? Sorrento's? Hot dog? One of the two. It looks the same. Alright guys, we're heading into Central Park. It's crazy because we just got off the Wonder and the plants ain't really grown up yet on the Wonder, but this place feel like these plants are really grown up.
Right. So, welcome to our shanty for the next 8 days on Allure of the Seas. So, what's up, you guys? We're in the room and we did, excuse me, and we did get a balcony. We think balconies are the best way to go. But we're gonna give y'all a little rundown on the room and show you what we got and what comes with it. We got your standard bathroom with the shower. It comes with shampoo and conditioner, soap, but we always bring our own because we prefer that. Just got your standard area for your wet knots and what you need. Very smaller from the other ships that we don't been on, but hey, it's just standard bathroom. As long as you can bathe, that's all that matters. And I think in here we got a queen size bed. It feels comfy. It been broke in, I guess. And then over here you got your standard closet with a few hangers. You got your safe for those important valuables that you have.
Plenty of room to hang stuff if you need to.
They got a few pictures in here, the decor. The only downfall about the room, no cords on the edge of the nightstand. So it's kind of like, oh, you gotta put your phone over there and charge. But hey, you gotta charge.
But I would say bring like one of the like little battery packs that got outlets on it, so that way you can still charge your phone next to your bed. That's the best way around that.
And they do come with, you got your lights at the nightstand. They're not on, but I guess we got to put a card in.
Yep.
Telephone, you got your little lounging couch. You got your vanity stand here. It look like you got a 20 something inch TV.
Yeah, not too bad.
You don't need too much anyway because you don't plan on being in the room. I think this is where our cabinet space.
Mm-hmm.
A few little protocols and cubicles, and this is my first time seeing this, but I think it is a radio, you guys.
Yeah, you can plug your iPhone straight into
and play your music off of it.
But
That's cool.
it has the old iPhone hookup, so I don't know how many people got the old jack of an iPhone, but if you got one of those, you can plug it straight in.
And then I think right here, you guys, okay, here's our mini fridge.
Yep. Put a little stuff in there.
It ain't too cold, but it's just cold enough for you to put things in here. And let's take you guys out onto the balcony. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. They do have a a thing right
Yeah,
here.
with plugs, but there's no USB ports in this room. So.
Repeat, there is no USB cords in the room. And like I said, you guys, we did get the balcony. If I can figure out how to get out of it. Oh, shit. We did get the balcony. It comes with, I like the ships that have the bigger tables on it. Come with decent sized tables. You can come out here and eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner. Chairs. These chairs don't go back. I don't like that, but hey, I'll take it.
Yeah, I kind of like the ones
that you can push back.
Yeah, and they give you a footrest.
Of course. So look, guys, we on the balcony, we stand like right above the rescue ships. So I know I'm gonna get on one if I need to get rescued because I'm right above it.
That's true.
But that is our rooms for you guys. I mean, like I say, they usually you seen them once, you seen them all. There might be a few things that are different from the others, but 9 out of 10 usually be the same thing.
Ain't nothing crazy special about it, but I am very happy to be in this thing. I'm very happy to be on this ship. I feel so blessed that we are able to cruise as much as we do, that we can judge a room and say, I like this one better and I like that one.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
It is pretty clean in here, though. I'm gonna give them that.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, it does have a clean feeling too. I'm
Yes.
ready. We're gonna be sailing this ship for 8 days, y'all.
So stay tuned, be a part, like and subscribe, that notification on all, so you'll never miss us.
Alright guys, we're headed up to the top deck. The air
Yes.
show's going on right now.
And he's so excited, you
I am.
guys.
We got ourselves a little bite to eat. They don't have El Loco Fresh here. Y'all know how much we love El Loco Fresh.
No, you love El Loco
I love
Fresh.
El Loco Fresh.
That's cool, but I'm thankful for what they do have and the choices. So
Yeah, so they got the Wipeout Cafe. It's like hamburgers, hot dogs,
French
pizza.
fries, nachos and cheese over there.
It's kind of like just like little bar food
Yeah.
or something like that.
For the most part.
We got desserts, so we're gonna dig in, see how it is. I know it ain't gonna compare to El Loco Fresh, but I'm still very thankful.
That's right. We are in Sorrento's Pizza Place. It's open all night. Well, I think to 3 o'clock, I'm sorry. But you can also get you a few little sides with it. They got a few meats, they got a few salads, tomatoes, veggies. Add on to your pizza if you like. So, if you get a slice of pizza, you can add these few things on to it.
Enough options to keep you busy.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, we got our first slice of Sorrento.
Okay.
I'm ready for it.
He loves the Sorrento. Well, we love the Sorrento.
Yeah, we got the pizza up in
In the windy place or whatever it was called.
Wipeout
Wipeout Cafe.
And it don't look as good as this one right
This
here.
is a fresh, hot pepperoni, y'all.
Yes, I'm ready.
So we
Just
gonna
came out the
soup it up.
oven. Gotta soup it up.
They ain't putting no pepperonis on it.
No, I ain't putting no pepperonis on it. We almost
But
got
it's
a cheese, but hey, I'm thankful. We're ready for it. Look at it. I can't wait. We're gonna be eating this every day for the next 8 days. Oh, we just got done doing the live. Thank y'all for coming.
Thank you who was in there, that liked it, that said something, that talked to us.
Now we sailing away. We
think
starting
we
to move.
moving.
We're doing the whole spin around right now. It's kind of crazy when you look off to the side. You see everything spinning.
But like I said, it is so quiet.
Yes,
It is so quiet on here, you
it
guys.
did. We're gonna go walk around and see if we can find any action, but
In it, pow, pow, what's going on?
it seemed like it did on this ship.
What's up, you guys? We finally got a beverage 5 hours later. Got a Bahama Mama. Danny got his specialty, Miami Vice. Pretty delicious, pretty strong, but
It
hey,
took 6 hours for us to get a drink. We've been on this thing since like 12 o'clock.
it's okay though, baby. Who judge?
Yeah.
We
And
got
we
8 days to drink whatever we want to
don't
drink.
really drink too much, so it ain't that big of a
No,
thing.
it's not.
But it's good to get my Miami Vice while we on Royal.
Just a refreshing drink to relax us for the rest of the evening.
Yeah.
I don't know how many I drank today, because last trip I was in there. I was drinking.
We drank a lot on the Wonder.
Yeah.
We'll see what we're gonna do for dinner. I don't know what we're gonna do. We may go to the anytime dining, or we may just say, let's go get pizza or something. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna drink that drink and then move on. Maybe head to the solarium, something like that.
Yeah, see what's going on there, and hopefully y'all guys will follow us for the journey.
Yo, it's been a fun day so far on the Allure.
No complaints for me. I'm feeling good, feeling great. Met some good people, Brittany and Vaughn.
They a trip.
They are true. They are some Floridians. So
They'll tell you.
But other than that, no complaints. It was a good day. It's what, 8:51, 9 o'clock p.m.
We did our live during Sail Away. Once again, the whole Sail Away thing when it comes to Royal, it's just not.
I don't know if I'm on a sail away. The ship's still sitting here. It's hard to judge it when it's time to actually sail away on the Royal.
Yeah, you always just like, oh, we're moving.
Oh, we're moving. You know, it's not a party. So we kind of chilled out, hanged out, sat around for a couple hours, chit-chatting, laughing.
I feel like this is gonna be kind of a little more of a chill cruise, anyways.
Laid back.
There's definitely a lot more of a older clientele on this ship, so
for sure.
You can tell the vibes as far as that goes. And you know, when you're on those, you gotta go with the flow when it comes to the ships. Like when we were on the Wonder, it was a party
time.
It was a party.
If we on the Allure, it's kind of just chill out, relax.
We gonna still check out the club later.
Oh, for sure.
But I don't know if it's going to be as fun as it was on the Wonder, but we're going to go get some food. We missed dinner. We missed pretty much all the food options, so I guess we're going to go back to Sorrento's.
I guess.
Get another piece of pizza for the night, take us over, and then maybe go see what's going around on the ship, see what we got to offer on the Allure.
Hey, hope y'all guys come check it out with us.
All right, you guys, we're back at the same table. And the same meal, but this time we got a little more since it's a dinner. Nothing like some Sorrentos. She got the American combo, which is basically supreme. I got pepperoni. We left our cup up in the room, so we got the free lemonade. That's no problem with that. We may need to chug some water too, just to stay hydrated, to carry us on through the amazing night. All right, positive vibers. What an amazing day we had on the Allure of the Seas for Embarkation Day. We want to thank every single one of you for supporting and loving us. We love every single one of you back. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so you don't miss any of our Allure content. Well, thanks for watching Positive Vibe Adventures, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace, y'all.